All right, so here we have angle facts, and we're going to be learning about angles. One thing, if you recall, a full protractor, the full angles of a circle equals 360 degrees. We go from 0, half a protractor is 180, a full protractor is 360 degrees, okay? And a quarter of a protractor is 90 degrees. We see it right here. That's what you got to remember as we're doing this problem here. So here we have a question, okay? Find the missing angle. And one thing, if we look at this problem, we have two x's, we have 100, and we have 150. What does this mean? We have an x plus another x plus 150 plus 100. And what do they equal? To figure out what x is, we have to figure, well, what is all of these four angles equal? Well, they actually form a circle, don't they? If we combine this 150 and the 100 and the x, we have a full circle. And a full circle, as we already know, is 360 degrees. Because we know what these equal, we now can find what x is. And when we do this, this is what I'm asking you to do, is to write it out in algebra term. We have an x plus 150 plus 100 equals 360. We combine our x's, we combine our 1's, we then subtract the 1's to get x's by itself. All right, and we have 360 minus 250, and now we have 2x equals 100. If that doesn't make sense, you just think that we know that we have all of these equals 360. So if we take this out and we take that out and we remove it from 360, we take away the 150, we take away the 100, what we have left is 110, which means this x, this angle here, and this angle here, if we add them up together, all right, if we add them, though they both equal 110. Which, to figure now out what is x, it's simply a matter of just dividing x by 2, because there's two x's, so we simply divide them by 2, and we're going to have our answer, which is 155, which is 55. And you can double check that, because if x is 55, we say 55 plus 55 is 110, plus 100 is 210, plus 150 is 360, so it makes sense. Now let's look at this other problem here, okay? In this problem here, up over here, we have 3 A's, okay? Now I'm going to put this down here for a sec. We have 3 A's. What does this equal? What do we got to do? Well, the first thing, you know, you have an A here, you have an A here, and they have an A here. And what angle do the 3 angles form? Well, if we look at this, and we can see that this is a right angle, therefore this is a right angle, therefore these 3 angles have to equal 90 degrees, okay? So we break it down, we have A plus A plus A equals 90 degrees. Now we have an algebraic sentence, an algebra statement, and we can do our algebra. 3a's equal 90, 3a equals 90, and we simply divide 3a by 3 because there's 3 and they're all the same number. We divide it by 3 and we're going to get 30. We know that, and we can double check. We know that 30 plus 30 plus 30 equals 90, and there you have it.